has been a while. 1,000 pardons. Life has been busy with baseball tournaments and the 4th of July and everything in between. So I'm like, I bet everybody really wants to know what Train Reactions has been up to. Not. Alright. So I just, some of the things I've been doing. I've got the old late 70s Blue Comet from the MPC era of Lionel. If you are into trains, you understand that. But anyway, there's a foam pad in the coal tender that basically over time disintegrates that needed replaced. So I did that today. And then this Lion Chief Plus engine 462 needed a traction tire. So that was basically sums up the projects from today. But let's run the Blue Comet. It's a cool engine, and the mighty sounds of steam, as they call it. It's a couple of wires that can, connect to the board that can short out if that foam piece weren't replaced. So I'll stop talking and we'll run this thing, shall we? And those are some Steeler cars. I'll cover that in another video. They're cool too. It is a rainy day, so the garage layout is where we ventured today. That's cool. I'm just happy that the powerful sounds of steam from this engine continue to work after I've tried to clean up and get the gunk out of the tender. Thanks for tuning in.